In the quiet of the morning light, where the sun meets the edge of night, there's a beauty in the simple things that only a heart awake can bring. And as the world begins to stir, we find our place in the symphony. Every note a whispered word of love and possibility. Oh, these are the beautiful moments where time slows down to let us breathe. In the warmth of a tender touch, in the laughter that sets us free. Through the seasons, through the years, through the joy and through the tears, we gather memories like flowers in bloom, each one a treasure, each one a tune. And as we dance through highs and lows, hand in hand where love still grows, every heartbeat sings its part in the story of our beating hearts. Oh, these are the beautiful moments where time slows down to let us breathe. Echoes of a whispered vow, in every sunrise, every starry night, in the simple magic of